Hi, welcome to Ask a Geoscientist. We're changing the hashtag. Today's question is, can there be an earthquake of magnitude 10 or greater, like a mega earthquake? The short answer is no. The long answer is long because it's more complicated than that. So, the magnitude of an earthquake is dependent in part upon the area of the fault that breaks or ruptures. So, the area is the length of the fault and the depth of the fault. All faults are a plane. And so it also depends on things like the rigidity of the rock, but we're just going to think about the area for now. So, in order to create a magnitude 10 earthquake, we would have to have a fault with an incredible amount of area. We just don't have any faults that are that big on Earth. The largest earthquake that was ever recorded was a magnitude 9.5 in Chile in 1960, and that was like 1,000-kilometer long fault. It was also very deep. The biggest earthquakes, megathrust earthquakes, happen on subduction zones. Subduction zones are places where tectonic plates come together and one is diving down underneath the other. The plate that's diving down is an oceanic plate, which is really cold and dense. So let's compare it to like chocolate chip cookies. You take them out of the oven and they're really hot and bendy and gooey. Rocks that are bendy and gooey and hot don't break. We have to have the rocks break in order to have an earthquake. So it's like a cooled cookie. So the longer that it stays cold, the more you can have earthquakes along that boundary. And that's why subduction zones can create these really big earthquakes because there's a lot of area on the fault surface, on the interface between those two plates. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again soon. Take care and stay safe.